Where is he?
He's right. You can get behind that curtain. Oh, wait. He's clear. He's clear.
Shit, I've already used this.
I think one of our guys went in there.
Everybody right there is dead. Grenade.
Go low.
My bad, man.